Being a Dog, A Tail of Mindfulness. Words by Maria Gianferrari. Pictures by P.T. Oswald. Can you be like a dog? Being like a dog is being right now. Not before or after, just now. Stretch while you rise. Wag your body, greet the day and everyone you love. Munch your food, lap your drink. Can you sniff like a dog? Breathe deep. Sniff, sniff, sniffing everything. Let's play like a dog. Invite your friends, then romp. Race and chase, tag and tug. Play every day, rain or shine. Like a dog, feel what you're feeling. Bark if you're worried. Growl if you're angry. Yowl if you're sad. Sing if you're happy. And if you're really happy, wag your whole body. Again and again. Be curious. Feel the emotion. Then let it go and be. Let the wind ruffle your fur. Nap in the sun or the shade. Wade and watch in the water. Tunnel and shovel in the sand. Hide and leap from the leaves. Whirl and roll and swirl in the snow. Take a taste, but not if it's yellow. Let's sleep like a dog. Notice the night. Feel the fatigue. Circle before you sleep. Drop and dream. Let's be like a dog right now. Thank you.